In this video, we'll show you how to set up Proton Mail correctly in 2026 and cover the 4 important steps that many new users miss. If you've just created your Proton Mail account, don't stop after signing in. A few simple settings can make your account much more secure and easier to use. So first, click the settings at the top right corner and select this all settings, and then go to your account and passwords, and you will see here the two-factor authentication. So this adds an extra layer for protection by requiring a verification code whenever someone tries to log into your account from a new device. For this step 2, add a recovery method. So click this recovery and add your recovery information. Could be email or SMS. Many users skip these steps and regret it later. So in your account settings, you can add a recovery email like I said, or another recovery options like SMS. This makes it much more easier to regain access if you ever forget your password or lose your device. For the step 3, go back to your inbox. Organize your inbox. So create folders and labels for works, personal emails, or important messages. You can also set up filters so incoming emails are automatically sorted, helping you keep your inbox clean from day one. And for the step 4, customize your preferences. Take a few minutes to adjust your display, theme, notification settings, and email signatures. So these small changes improve your daily experience and make your account feel more personalized. One final tip, always use a strong, unique password and keep Proton Mail updated if you're using the desktop or mobile app. Good security habits are just as important as the email service itself. By completing these 4 steps, you'll have a more secure, organized, and reliable Proton Mail account from the very beginning. And that's how you set up Proton Mail correctly in 2026. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the YouTube channel.